Attempt to explain the hours of service, the e-logs, for a United States trucker. So we have 4 duty statuses: off duty, sleeper, driving, and on duty. As concerns these clocks, these 2 are basically off duty, and these 2 are basically on duty. The 70-hour clock is you have 70 hours to burn within a given week. 70 hours of driving or on duty, which is, let's just say, on duty. Well, let's just say you have 70 hours of burn to burn between driving and on duty, because that's what it is. And as you can see, I only have an hour left, an hour and 6 minutes left of my 70. So I can't be driving and go on duty until the 70 resets and refreshes. What refreshes the 70? Either a 34-hour reset or an hour's recap. And a recap is, well, the 34-hour reset is just a 34-hour break. As soon as this reaches 0, this 70 will refresh. The hour's recap is a little bit more hard to explain. I'm not going to explain it in this. The 11-hour clock is your driving clock. You can only drive as much as 11 hours in one shift. As you can see, I have 2 hours and 20 minutes left on my 11-hour clock. That means I drove 8 hours and 40 minutes today. This resets when you take a 10-hour break. So in 9 hours and 14 minutes and 22 seconds, this is going to jump back to 11 hours and refresh. Your 14-hour clock starts as soon as you go on duty on your shift, when you do your pre-trip inspection. And it says that you have to be off duty within 14 hours. I only had about half an hour left on my 14 when I started my 10-hour break. The 14 counts down no matter what duty status you're on. It counts down when you start your shift in the morning or whatever. You start your shift. And it doesn't stop until you do a 10-hour reset. At least a 10-hour reset. Similarly, the 8-hour clock starts when you start your shift in the morning or whenever you start your shift. And it says you have to take a break within 8 hours. Either a 30-minute reset, a 30-minute break, or a 10-hour break. As soon as you take one of those, typically it's a 30-minute break, then you have a new 8 hours, a fresh 8 hours. And as soon as these, you don't want these to run out. The 14-hour break, or the 14-hour clock has ran out, but that's okay because I'm off duty. If it runs out and you're on duty still, and you're driving, for example, that's bad. If the 11-hour clock runs out and you're driving still, that's bad. If you're on duty and the 8-hour break clock runs out, that's bad. Essentially any of these that run out and you're on duty, that's bad, except for the 11-hour one, which you have to be driving for that to run out, and that's bad. Hopefully that explains things a little bit more. I know there's a better way to explain the hours of service, but that's what I got right now.